Hello and welcome to another update video about Harmony 1. This is the Harmony Tether chart on Binance, the daily chart. I did a video yesterday and I told you I will keep a close look at it because it looked really nice. The chart provided a really nice picture actually in an ascending, we're working our way up on an ascending trend line that you can see here. We put it on the chart yesterday and overall we've been in this uptrend for a while now. Yes, we overextended away from it, then came down, but we haven't come below that trend line, actually since we could put it on the chart. So this is providing some really nice support. And yesterday we were here just where we found support at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level at 14 cents. And from then on, what we could identify is actually on the larger scale, you can identify a cup and handle within which we are currently trading, actually quite a large cup here. Yeah, and a handle that's currently forming, and we've only come down pretty much to the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement, to the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, the golden pocket, which is the most important one, the golden ratio. And from then we bounced off, came all the way up, now found support at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. So we're making higher lows here very clearly, yes. And we are now getting at a tipping point because we are currently here finding resistance at another Fibonacci retracement level. Plus also we are in this formation of the handle at the moment in this descending channel. And we are finding our way basically into this apex between the handle and the ascending trend line here. And that is what we saw with Coty before it eventually broke out. And before that cup and handle that Coty formed on the chart really broke to the upside. And this is the level that you need to watch. I can't tell you if it's going to break out to the upside or not. At the moment, for me, more things speak towards a breakout to the upside than not. And nobody ever knows if a breakout is going to happen and be successful or not. But what you need to watch out for is the volume. And also, if this breaks out to the upside, I think that would be a very good potential to, first of all, get back to the old high here, which was on the 13th of September, where we went all the way up to 23 cents. Bear in mind, we're currently only at 16 cents. So if we break out of this channel and you can see the volume coming in, that can take us to 23 cents. And if we apply, I still have it on the chart from yesterday and I won't take it off. If we take all the length of that, the depth of that cup here, and apply it to the potential breakout point of the handle, let's say that is here, then it could really take us to the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level, which is, which would exactly work out, which would take us to 34 cents. And the more optimistic scenario would be if we apply that target, the depth of that cup, to the higher breakout point. Some people do it this way, some people do it that way, a little bit subjective, but I always try to be on the conservative side of things. So I always apply it to the breakout point of the handle, which is what many not only websites but also books suggest, that this is where you apply the target to, the depth of the cup. You take that, the length of that, and you take that length and start here from the breakout point of that handle. And again, that would take us to 34. A little bit more optimistic one would take us to 41 cents. And this is really just to remind you of what we said yesterday, and that this is still at play. We're making higher lows here. It seems like that we really found support at the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and that we are currently at a tipping point here, really a breakout point, which however doesn't say that we couldn't come down once more to that trend line. And I think this scenario will only be invalidated if we come down and really break below that ascending trend line that you can just put on your chart as well, if you're interested. And you can do that on TradingView, for example, or whatever charting tool you are using. This is the daily chart, Binance Harmony Tether. And if we break below that, which we did on Coty now, so it doesn't always need to work out. Also there we had a nice cluster of different moving averages here as support, and here as well, we've got the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level here at nearly 12 cents. Then we have the 200-day moving average, the 50-day moving average coming up here. So cluster of support, and nevertheless on the Coty chart we broke to the downside. So you need to be just aware of that. That can always happen. But this is a very, I think, has a lot of potential. If that breakout really happens, I think we could make some really nice profits. Let's take a look on the 1 hour chart. If we see a little bit more detail here on the 1 hour chart, we can actually see that we are after the move to the upside and to getting closer to that resistance level here. We are now getting into the overbought range on the hourly. So this is only very short term, but something to be aware of, that there could be another retracement, maybe coming down to the 14 cent level, which is here that support level, the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. So we could come down to that, or even once more down to the ascending trend line. But what, you know, is certainly a level to be watching out for is that descending trend line here off that handle, which is currently forming, and that channel within which we are currently trading, which seems to be a very valid one, because we had one touch point here, another one there. We're currently having the third one, and I don't think that is the breakout already, but nobody knows. But I think we might, because we're already overextended on the 1 hour, that we will come down once more and take another attempt then potentially to, as we move into this apex here maybe, or even down here, you know. So certainly very interesting on the chart, certainly something to bear in mind, you know, and certainly something to observe. I think it's all looking really nice here, the whole formation, and that we're still in this uptrend compared to some other cryptos which are in this short-term downtrend. And yes, we also are coming down here, but here we can just very, very clearly mark that ascending trend line still, which you can't do that clearly on some other cryptocurrencies. So that will provide some nice support, hopefully, going forward. And again, we have this cup in hand, which hasn't played out on, or which has played out on some other cryptos already, but not on this one here. So there is still a lot of potential for a nice breakout and nice profit in this current bull run. So hopefully that video was useful. If you liked it, and if you want me to cover Harmony in the future again, then please put it in the comments. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and that's it. Hopefully, yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.